If you want to know how to be a freelance writer, then get How to Become a Freelance Writer guide by a real-life freelance writer. How to Become a Freelance Writer is a simple-to-use, easy-to-understand guide to becoming a freelance writer. It will take you through each step of the process, from making sure you have all of the necessary materials in order to begin, to setting up a portfolio and applying to job positions, all the way through furthering your career once it has been established. This guide will go over everything that you need to know in order to become a freelance writer. As an extra bonus, this guide also includes a section of tips and a quick reference that lays out all of the steps involved in your freelance writing journey, both of which can be found at the end of the book. There is a section dedicated to the debunking of freelance writing-related myths, as well as a section dedicated solely to the understanding of business jargon that one will encounter in the writing business, whether freelance or not. Inside this book, you should be able to find all of the information and materials you need in order to create a successful career in freelance writing for yourself. With this helpful aid, there will be nothing stopping you from reaching all of your goals. Good luck! Step-by-step instruction on how to become a freelance writer. Step 1. Make sure that you have everything you need before you begin. Step 2. Know what you are talking about. Step 3. Don't believe everything you hear. Step 4. Decide what type of freelance writer you would like to be, or which field of writing fits you best. Step 5. A few more decisions that you need to make before actually beginning. Step 6. Put your decisions into action. Step 7. Create your online presence. Step 8. Apply to jobs and respond to job offers. Step 9. Get down to business and begin your freelance writing career. Step 10. Continuing and furthering your freelance career.